Hi friends, this is part 10 switch statement in C#. In previous sessions we were learning about if-else statement, and if-else statement can be actually replaced in our switch statement. Let's quickly look at a demo. Just open your Visual Studio 2010 and open one console application. Here I have already opened one console applications here, and let's quickly look at our previous session. Let's quickly recall it, and let's prompt the user with the use of the console.writeLine, which have this message to user to enter any values. Please enter your number. Okay, I want to read these values as a integer. Okay, I want to hold this integer variable, that is name is user number. Okay, and how to read our input from the console.readLine method, which will read for us. And this readLine method is actually written a string. I want to convert into our integer. Okay, how to convert? Int dot parse. Okay, into dot parse, and okay, I want to make use of these if-else statements now, and let's worry about our switch statement in later. Okay, and if our user number equal to 10 means I have a message to print that console.writeLine. Okay, console.writeLine, your number is 10. Okay, let's quickly copy this code. Let's save a time. Okay, placed it here and again placed it here, and just change if to else if. Else if is our user number is 20, I need to print user number is 20. And if it is 30 means I want to print your number is 30. Okay, if our user number is not 20, not 20 and not 30 means what will be print? I also have a message, that is a else part. If it is not any of these values, this piece of code will be executed. Okay, this piece of code will be executed is not 10, 20, 30. Okay, now you are going to execute now. Okay, just run your applications. Oh, it will ask you please enter your number. I need to give this 2 means what gonna happen? This variable will be these values will be stored this integer variable user number, and user number is equal to 10, and in our case user number is the 2 is equal to 10, sorry, 20 is equal to 10. No, it is wrong. Okay, then skip this if statement, and another else if statement will be executed, and check user number 20 is equal to 20. Yes, if it is, yes, it is correct. So this block of code will be executed and rest of the code will not be executed. Okay, this is this if-else statement. Okay, and we were already talk about our if-else statement. You are not aware about our if-else statement means please watch our previous sessions, which will make you clear. Okay, and now go to the our switch statement, because these if-else statements can be replaced our switch statements. Okay, and this is similarly have these same operations there. Okay, just delete all our if-else statement here. Okay, now we are going to use of switch statement. Here we have this user number which hold this our values, and let's switch our values here. Switch user number now have these values. Okay, and this have this several cases. This switch statement can have this any number of cases. Okay, here I have the case. This user number is 10, means what's gonna happen? I have a message on that console dot write line your number is 10, same as if else statement, don't worry about it. And this switch, these cases, each cases have this break statement, which is used to break out our switch statement. And okay, sorry, this is the syntax. Okay, and let's copy this. Place it here and place it here. Here, if our case is 20, it means if our user number is 20, means I have a message to print your number is 20. And if our user number is 30, means what gonna happen? I have to print this 30. And if our user number is not 10, not 20, not 30, means we have a default case in our switch statements. Default case, I have a message. What is the message is? Just copy and place it here. And also we have this break on that break. Here is the message. If our number is not 10, not 20, not 30, means I want to print this your number is not 10, 20 and 30. Okay, now you are trying to execute here. What's gonna happen? Please enter your number. Okay, here I put 20, means what's gonna happen? This 20 will be stored in our user number, and this user number will be in our switch statement. Switch statement can hold our user number, which is 20, and this 20 is going to our cases. This is case 10. No, this is case 20. So this will pass to our case 20, and this block of code will be executed. Okay, if our user number is 20, yes, this is correct. So is print this line, your number is 20, and the next line is the break statement. Break statement is quickly break out our entire switch statement, and just try to execute here. Your number is 20. Yes, is it correct? And again you try to execute. I want to print 30, means the 30 will be stored in our user number, and switch statement have the values and pass these regarding cases. Okay, here is our case 30. Okay, this piece of code will be executed, and break means is quickly break out our entire switch statement. Okay, this is this switch statement. Okay, it is similarly replaced our if else statement. Okay, let's quickly understand it. And we have multiple case statement. We can combine that. How to combine that? Here is this example. Okay, in our case 10 we don't have any code to execute, and similarly in our case 20 is also no code to execute, and in our case 20 the case that is have this code to execute. And I want to change is a placeholder 0. I want to print our user number, whatever else here. Okay, and now try to execute and will be understand later. Okay, here please enter your number. I print the 10. Okay, this switch statement have these 10 values, so it's sent to regarding to that cases. Okay, these cases will be called, but this case 10 will not be any code to execute. Okay, so it's quickly look at our nearest cases. This is case 20, and this case 20 is also didn't have any code to execute, and so is again look up our next cases. Next cases is case 30, and yes, this case 30 have this code to execute. So this piece of code will be execute whatever else we are passing in our user number values. Okay, now try to execute. Your number is 10. Yes, and again execute. I print 20 means what's gonna happen, the 20 cases will be the switch statement can pass these 20 cases, and these 20 cases will not be any code to execute, and if look up the next cases and this piece of code will be execute. Okay, the number is 20. Okay, this is this details about this switch statement, and we can combine these many other cases within our single cases. Okay, that's all today. Have a great day.